Jylla Meghalaya menta kelasaki bagi don hadu prapo persen kinong yo jing bentoi naka Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme MHIS ki bala pendap ban Pyniasoh badu Aadhar. Haba pentip ya kani hakasngi baar ka menteri kakot kakya kong ampri lengdo kalaong ba ki lasaki bagi don bun baha ki Paidbah ki bala dap ban register bat ke MHIS. Kaya thuru bakasin bakadu bakasyong ya kajing lang perkhat kam la pentip ya kabala kenjo syaka prapo persen AA. Menteri ko ongru bakadon kampat ikipat ba ban Pyniasoh ya Aadhar barka MHIS kenang bakin la ban yo ya kijingerap kamtam habakendu ya kapang kasitong.
Is very good because when sickness strikes, I don't think a citizen has much choice. But we are saying now, because the Aadhar seeding is a compulsory linkage for any availing of any such scheme. We are requesting our citizens that those of you who are willing and who want to benefit from the MHIS scheme of the government of Meghalaya, kindly seed your Aadhar so that at the time when you need government intervention, it is ready and available for you to use it. What are we doing to increase Aadhar linkages? Every health institute in this state will be connected to Aadhar linkages. We are working in close quarters with all the line departments, the blocks, the DC offices, to ensure that citizens can immediately register themselves with the MHIS scheme of the government of Meghalaya. And from what we can see, there is a big rush. Unfortunately, some citizens get critically ill without the Aadhar link. That's when they will be burdened with out-of-pocket expenses, which are very, very difficult for families to bear. This is an optional provision of the state of Meghalaya. We cannot forcefully tell our citizens to get themselves an MHIS card. But if you so wish, this facility is available. Beneficiaries who have benefited from the schemes themselves will stand testimony to the kind of assistance that the government of Meghalaya is giving them. It is just for citizens to be alert, to be aware. We are already popularizing Aadhar linkages for various other schemes. And whatever awareness that is required is getting done. Today, even if a citizen has fallen ill, we are trying our best to provide Aadhar linkages for our patients even as they stay in the hospital. But if no one from a family has linked themselves to the Aadhar through other schemes, then it becomes impossible almost for any citizen to avail this beautiful scheme.
So, ma'am, just wanted to add.